Right, now we'll just finish off our property, plant and equipment note. So there's no accumulated depreciation for our warehouse and buildings. So its closing carrying amount, the top part's going to, and our opening's going to be 150,000. With our warehouse equipment, historical cost is 90,000. So we're going to start with that. Going to put in our accumulated depreciation, which is 59,000. And that'll give us our new carrying amount, 90,000 minus 59,000 is 31,000. And closing carrying amount will be 31,000. Our depreciation was 9,000. We had no additions or disposals, so our opening carrying amount is just going to be 31,000 minus 9,000. It's 22,000. Oh, did it run the wrong way. Should be 40,000. Okay, just make sure you do it around the right way. So your opening carrying amount is, you've got to go backwards for it. Right, now you just need to do all your totals. So I'm just going to grab a different calculator to do this. It's a little bit hard. This one on the screen doesn't seem to goes too big. So we've got 25,000 plus 150,000 plus 40,000. So 25,000 plus it's 215,000. Got 30,000 here. 15,000. 8,000 plus 9,000. 17,000. And that there and that there should add to the same thing. So let's check that it does. So this is your way of checking that everything works the way it should do. So that's not right. 32,000 plus 150,000 plus 31,000 should get 213,000. So we'll just check that. So we started with 215. We added on 30. We minused. Start with 215. Add on 30. Minus 15. Minus 17. Yep, so that's right. So we had 70,000 plus 150 plus 90. 310,000. 38,000 plus. Okay, we know we're right if these two are the same. Okay, and this is the amount that we're going to put in our statement of financial position. So we want the 213,000 to go in here. Oh, for some reason everything's shifted across. Not sure what happened there. Let's see if we can shift it back where it belongs. There we go. And that's 72,600. And so we're going to put in 213,000. Okay, and then the last type of ones that we've got are intangible assets. And these are things like goodwill and patents. And so let's have a look. No, we haven't got anything like that here, so don't need to put intangible assets in. So now we're going to add this up, and we're going to get total assets is what we're going to get. Okay, so we're going to add it all together. So 72,600 plus our 30,000 plus our 213,000. So we should get 3,15600. Okay, right, now we're going to deal with our liabilities. So we're going to go less liabilities now. So first we're going to put in our current liabilities. So they're all the things that we have to pay in the next year. So they're going to be on our credit side. So we're going to go and look down here. Our first one's going to be accounts payable. And it's at 30,300. Okay. Our mortgage is going to come in, but it's a long-term, a non-current one. So dividends received we're not dealing with. We've dealt with accumulated depreciation. Now we're going to bring in GST 4,000. So that's GST payable. If it was on the debit side, it would be GST receivable. And we dealt with allowance for debt, we dealt with our sales, we dealt for our gain on sales, and then we're just going to bring in our accrued expenses of 1,300. Okay, our gain on sale of delivery vehicle would have gone in our income statement because it's an income. Right, so now we're going to add up our current liabilities. So 30,300 plus 4,000 plus 1,300 gives us 35,600. Okay, now we're going to deal with our non-current liabilities, and this is going to be our last note that we need to do. So for our mortgage, we need to write a note for it. So I'm going to put in mortgage, and it's going to be our lowest note, so it's note 4. Okay, so note 4 is about any loans or mortgages we have. Okay, so it's going to be mortgage, and we're going to write mortgage is an interest rate of, and we need to go back to our information to find that out. So our mortgage is 6%, and it's due on the 30th of November 2013. Of 6% and a maturity date of 31st of November 2016. Right, in the next video we'll do the last part of the statement of financial position.